Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on and set up your Discord overlay. So just click on user settings here on the lower left corner of your screen. So click on that and just scroll down a little, and you'll see here on below activity settings, you'll see game overlay. So here on the top, just open it by clicking here on the button here, and besides it is the toggle overlay lock. So this does switch on how you could close or open or turn on or turn off your in-game overlay. So you could customize it here if you want your avatar to be large or small, and the display names, and here display users, and the overlay position or notification position. You could set it anywhere you want right here. And after that, go to registered games under activity settings again, and you'll see all of the registered games. So here, since I don't have any game running, there's no game detected. But if once you open up a game, you'll see it here, and you could toggle the overlay here, right, just like that. If you want to turn off on that particular game or turn it on that particular game. So that's it. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.